In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a WordPress site using SSH on WP Engine in 2025. Connecting via SSH allows you to interact with your site at a more technical level, providing the capability to run various commands and perform administrative tasks efficiently. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your WP Engine dashboard. This is your control center where you manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Once you've logged in, navigate to the environment you want to work with. Depending on your needs, this could be your production site, staging, or development environment. Selecting the correct environment is crucial as this determines where your changes will take effect. Next, you'll want to click on the Utilities menu, then choose SSH Gateway Access. This section of your dashboard is where you can access the information needed to establish a secure connection with your server. Here, you'll find the SSH gateway URL and your unique username, which often follows a format like environment name at environment, ssh.wpengine.net. Make a note of these details as you will need them to connect. Now, it's time to shift to your computer. Open Terminal if you're using Mac or Linux. If you're on Windows, you'll want to open Command Prompt or PowerShell. These applications allow you to interact with your server through a command line interface. In this command line environment, you need to type the SSH command to connect to your server. It follows this structure: SSH environment name at environment, ssh.wpengine. Ensure this command is typed correctly, utilizing the details you noted earlier. After entering the command, press enter. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your SSH password. If you've set up an SSH key previously, you can use that instead for authentication. This layer of security ensures that only authorized users can access the server. Once you're authenticated and connected, you have the power to run various commands. From managing WordPress plugins to navigating through your site's files, there are numerous tasks you can perform. For example, using WP plugin list shows all installed plugins, and ls or cd commands allow you to explore your directory structure. Remember, working in SSH provides you powerful tools to manage and troubleshoot your WordPress site, but with great power comes the need for caution. Always double-check commands before executing them to safeguard against accidental modifications. With these steps, you're now equipped to efficiently connect and manage your WordPress site on WP Engine using SSH. Thanks for joining me today, and happy site managing!